shuffle. We did the slide. Now get ready to learn the dance school move of the week, the wine. Girls, do the wine. G-force, do the wine. Now Mickey, do the wine.
The girls come together and do the wine. Tourists do the wine. Now Rachel do the wine. Now City do the wine. Move forward. Wine, wine, wine. It's your turn. The dance floor is yours and do the wine.
Now you guys try it.
Sumunod ka lang.
Ang pangit.
Tama, dapat si Justin.
Alright, now
Ulit
it's your
pa
turn.
natin. Ulit na ulit. Pero isip ko yan.
Let's come together.
Isa pa, isa pa.